Hi, it's Paul from Avidly with an inside HubSpot tip. What we're looking at this week is one of the most overlooked things, and this is quite common with HubSpot. It's sometimes so obvious and so it seems so easy that it gets neglected. So if I'm going to share my screen here and let you see what I'm seeing on my second screen. So if we go across to here, now the most popular tool in HubSpot's Content Agent feature is the content remix. It takes something like a landing page, like you can see on screen here, gives you some first draft content of social posts, emails, web pages, can produce a podcast, blah blah blah. But quite often, out the box, it's very, very run-of-the-mill, basic, sort of obviously AI content. You might also run into AI tool content generation wherever you see this in your tools. So this will write meta descriptions for you, but you want them more interesting, you want them on brand. Now the place to go and do that for whatever bit of content agent, wherever you end up using it, is go to settings from here, scroll down until you get to AI, and then on data sources you want to make sure you're leveraging all of these. So you've got your brand kit. So historically brand kit would let you input your colours and they'd be there as a default choice, your logo and so on, but make sure you're fully utilising this brand voice. You can enter the advanced settings and you can sort of tweak things for different channels. If you're using blog and you want a different voice, you want it more relaxed, case study more professional, you can do that. But don't overlook all these other things as well. You've got your marketing strategy that you want. What's your main aims? Is it lead gen? Is it trust? You can input your products and your services if that's your type of business. You can also input information about your ICP, so your personas, your target audience can all be inputted in there, and that is all going to shape the content that gets spat out back over here. Let me know if you've had any improvements from implementing this, and if you want any support, just give me a shout.
Follow us on LinkedIn for more expert insights every week.